Just leave it alone, sis. It's gonna grow. It's gonna grow. I just wanted to share a quick tip as to how I am able to grow my hair to tailbone length. I was able to do this twice, as a matter of fact. So stay tuned for my tips. Honestly, it's just one tip, really. I am a set it and forget it type person with everything in life, really. I'm the lazy natural. I'm the natural that, don't really fuss around with her hair. Don't do her hair every day. That's just how I am. My number one tip is low manipulation. So when I say low manipulation, I mean not combing through your hair every day, not applying products every day, not brushing your hair to redo your twist out every day. If you want to see how I did the bubble ponytail, it is one of my recent videos. Please check that out. I do styles like this, like the bubble ponytail or buns, even twist outs. I consider low manipulation because I do not comb through my hair. I do not overly finger detangle my hair the entire time I'm wearing a twist out. I literally will grab the two pieces of hair that needs to be twisted and just twist it around each other, and I apply product to the very end and just twist it. That's all I do. So literally, I think it's just low manipulation. To give you a little bit of a history, back in 2011 was when I big chopped. From 2011 to 2015, I was a product junkie. I was manipulating my hair every day. I thought at the end of the day of wearing a twist out, I would have to resection my hair, spritz my hair, comb through it, add product, brush it again, then retwist it. I thought that's what I had to do to get a bomb twist out every day. Now the twist out would look fresh, but honestly, I probably just introduced a whole bunch of unnecessary breakage and over manipulation to my hair that would ultimately stunt the growth that I could have seen. I tend to keep my regimen very, very simple. I wash my hair when it needs to be washed. I deep condition my hair when it needs to be deep conditioned. And I add moisturizer, which are these two. You've seen these in my videos. I add these when my hair feels dry. Sometimes I wash my hair maybe 2 weeks from the last time. Sometimes it's a month. It just depends on how my hair feels. I realize that I do not have to put my hair on a strict regimen in order to see growth. I literally I'm here to nurture it and keep it moisturized so it won't break off as it grows, literally. So another thing, because I keep my regimen very simple, I don't have to trim my hair but once a year. So I'm gonna insert a clip of my silk press that I did around Christmas last year. I want you to look at my ends before trimming. So about 4, 5, maybe 5 years ago, I was introduced to a lady on YouTube. Her name is 22nd Century Natural Hair Woman, and that may not be her actual name, but I will insert a picture in her name somewhere here. This woman has grown her hair probably past hip and butt length, and she has the simplest, when I say the simplest regimen ever. She uses olive oil and shea butter to moisturize her hair. That's it. And I was a product junkie, and I would think I would have to have a leave-in conditioner, oil, a cream, a serum. All those things are really just unnecessary. Another thing that I feel is unnecessary is all of these gimmicks. I call them gimmicks, and they may work for some people, but it's just not for me. Mixing certain things together. Oh, it's this new powder that you can use. If you mix it with a carrier oil and use it as a pre-poo, you're going to increase your growth by 2 times. I do not follow those trends anymore, because honestly, before I was introduced to 22nd century natural hair woman, I would do all of those things. I would go out to the store and buy all of these things, mix them all together, put these things in my hair, and honestly, my hair just wasn't growing leaps and bounds like it does now. And I didn't see the benefit of doing all that. I really was just wasting a lot of money. Certain things like massaging your hair with hot oil for 5 minutes and then being upside down to allow the blood to rush. I've done that before. I'm not even going to lie. I've done it before because I thought I was going to make my hair grow. And thinking back, it was kind of silly. So realistically, I don't do much to my hair. I don't. And it was a lesson that I learned maybe halfway through my natural hair journey. Just leave it alone, sis. It's gonna grow. It's gonna grow. Honestly, keeping my hair moisturized, keeping it out of the way, and leaving it alone is the way to see growth. Just keep it simple. Keep it simple. Wash it when it needs to be washed. Condition it when it needs to be conditioned. Moisturize it when it needs to be moisturized. And don't comb it often. And of course, the things of keeping your hair wrapped up at night. Of course, you don't want to forget that. But when I stopped putting a lot of thought in my hair regimen, that is when my hair flourished. And it continues to grow because I don't mess with it. I don't fuss with it a lot. I just allow it to do its thing. And I think that is the secret for me. Also, because I have fine strands, this simple regimen is perfect because it's easy with over manipulation for my hair to snap. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for taking the time to watch it. If you have any other questions or comments, put them in the comments box. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.